ITS Dental College, Ghaziabad. I would like to ask you about the experience in ITS Dental College and the 14th ASPRP National Conference.
Yeah, thank you. This is not my first visit to ITS. I have been here when the director was Professor Hari Prakash. So that time also I came in, and he has been my guru in AIMS. So it was a wonderful experience, and we had got Dr. Cleopatra from Greece at that time. And then I came again. That time it was a sinus grafting procedure which I did the lecture and hands-on session in the, it was a oral maxillofacial surgery department. And now I'm back here, and it's a wonderful experience, and especially with Dr. Devi Charan Shetty being the director. I met him principal, I know him personally also. And the perio department, especially this time I was talking about hard and soft tissue synergy and why it is so important. And I emphasized on to peri-implantitis also, because that is the biggest epidemic which is going to happen in India. So the infrastructure is wonderful of this college, and I wish all the best to all the PG students and interns who are doing their graduation and post-graduation.
Thank you, sir. Very glad to know you're having a good time. Also, would you like to pass some message to the young, new budding dentists and periodontologists?
Yeah, especially with the periodontologist and especially the young budding dentist, I would like to tell them that there is no shortcut to hard work. And this is the time when they can learn things. They should utilize maximum from their seniors and their HODs and their professors to gain maximum what they can do. Because I remember I was in AIMS 97, I did my residency from there. And I used to work like an animal. I did my continuous 7 days emergency duty. Taking everybody's request. With all my girl colleagues, they say, Sandeep, can you do this for me? My duty. I used to do it. Because I knew that this is the time I can pick it up. It's a sea, and whatever you take out, it will be less. So, especially with the perio, PGs, they need to work hard.
Because of the,
they need to work hard, and they have got so many patients, because once they go out of this college and having this big opportunity into such a renowned college, when they go out, not all of them are going to go into academics. Most of them will be doing private practice. And in private practice, you cannot explain theory to the patient. You have to perform. So, to perform, this is the time they should work really hard. As many patients as they can do. It will be beneficial for them.
Thank you so much. So thank you. I hope they take